嘅係啦。Hello，Hello。Alright, let's say goodbye to the people on the dock. 拜拜！歡迎大家嚟到世界文明嘅森林舞流之旅啊！嚟緊呢期我將會船長同埋游水教練。Welcome to the world's most famous sugar cruise. In upcoming few days, I'll be a skipper and your swimming coach. 4年后，世界闻名的森林游乐之旅。来的几天，我当你们船长跟游泳教练。我叫 Justin, my name is Justin. Hello everyone, hello.Hello， 歡迎上船啦，歡迎登船 ，Welcome on board。記住手腳收翻埋嚟，我哋而家就出發啦。好了，各位先看一下我的右手邊，你們知道這是誰的家嗎？對了，沒錯了，右手邊就是森林之王泰山的家。On the right side is the Taishan tree house. He's finally back. If you want to go visit him, take a route on your left and right, and you'll be able to visit him in no time. Everyone, let's say goodbye to people on the route. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, now don't forget on the right side as well. Everyone, let's say goodbye to them as well. Bye-bye. 好了，这里好像有4000多公里长，但是我这里有小路，很快就能回去，不用担心，都是几天的旅行而已。Guys, in front of us is the mother elephant, and besides him is the elephant baby. He's sending you way to the video, so let's give them one welcome and say hello to them. Hello. Hello. Alright, take a look on the right side. That is the brother elephant who loves bathing. He's been bathing since this morning, 6 a.m. Look at his raincoat skin. And in front of us is the most playful animal in the whole jungle, the mother elephant, who loves to get people soaking wet. Does anyone want to get soaked? Please raise your hands up. Anyone? Alright, that's one. Alright, never mind, guys. You're gonna get soaked anyways. In 3, 2, 1, and I'm just kidding. Look at you all. You are right now. These are not forced inside a trunk, so no worries. 欢迎大家来到古苗哦，世界上最恐怖的地方。各位看我们的左手边是世界上最大最毒的蜘蛛，有1、2、3只在左边，还有1只在哪里？看看左右再告诉我吧。答案在我们的右手边，长颈跳过去了。前面都是大象，谁跟它的守护神眼睛着？右边的2条看不见没关系，看我们的左手边还有1条，但是今天它没戴眼镜啊，眼镜掉了在家里，不用担心。前面我来到鳄鱼的家，听说他们已经有1个月没有吃东西。你们知道鳄鱼最喜欢吃的是什么吗？不知道没关系，是小孩。这里有几位？1、2、3、4、5、6、7。好了，我们赶快离开这里吧，要不的话就给他追着我们屁股来咬了。Alright, welcome everyone to the Porter's Council, where they usually get the gorillas. Unfortunately, today we've been raided by them. What's going on? Does anyone know what is the gorilla having in his hand? What's that? Can anyone see? I think that's a pistol. Be careful, guys. Let's not make it sound, otherwise we get shot by them. Shh, quiet now. Alright, never mind. He's trying to put ammo inside his gun, so no worries, right? Alright, welcome everyone to the African crossing, where we have zebra, giraffes, and elephants. Take a guess. Does anyone know what's the most here? Anyone? No, but it's not hippo, it's grass, I'm sorry, unfortunately. And let me tell you how to identify male and female zebra. Males are black with white strips and females are white with black strips. And take a look on the left side, that is the second most cheerful animal, the African elephant. Oh my god, give me a... Take a look on the right side, that is his mother-in-law. I think she's real mad and grumpy because her son forgot to do the laundry. So everyone, let's get going. Let's say goodbye to both of them. Bye-bye! Alright, now since everyone, we're heading into the hippo too. I heard they weigh 6,000 pounds. The journey is up to knock us over, so hang on tight, everyone. Take a look on our left and right and right. What's that smell? Come on, guys, please brush your teeth. Take a look on our left side and so look at the seatbelt back in the case. Guys, remember to brush your teeth, otherwise you'll be just like it losing all your teeth. 你哋都好勇敢啊！我試上呢5個朋友仔啱啱坐我船嘅探險㗎。咦，樹下低數就係第2個，嗰咪就係石教授。平時佢好有抱負啊，唔知你今日都係抱住咁解啫。唔使擔心啊，船上面唔夠座位，我哋一齊同佢講聲拜拜啊，拜拜。 us to head to the village. Now we're heading in. Please keep quiet.